Welcome to this video learning machines. We're going to talk about making money online. So, what is the secrets to making money online? And what are 10 websites where you can go to make money online? So, we're going to cover all of it. And $100 a day is no problem with any of these methods. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's dive into the first method in just a minute, okay? And you know what? A lot of people have active income. But the real thing you want to do is get passive income. And active income is when you trade time for money, but passive income, it's when you literally making money while you sleep, just passively, when you do anything, okay? It's just happening, okay? It could be sales, it could be things you made a long time ago, it could be music, etc. Now the first website is upworks.com. It is an active income, but you can outsource things. And people literally want all sorts of stuff done for them, okay? As you can see here, I mean, people want to have video editing done for them, maybe web developing, or just a virtual assistant, or maybe just customer service. And it's such a huge market. There's always new opportunities. You can look for posted jobs that people have posted, and you can go ahead and fulfill it. The next one's YouTube. Now, YouTube is a very, very awesome method to make money. One of the best traffic sources on earth, which just means there's a lot of people there. And you know, the platform is incredible. Literally, it's the only platform where content lasts forever. The way to grow, I mean, and get you don't need to be monetized to grow, but the threshold is 4,000 hours of watch time, 1,000 subscribers, and you can make thousands of dollars in any niche you get into, unless it's like crazy small. And I mean, it's real passive income, okay? So I highly recommend everyone on earth should get some social media presence and definitely a YouTube channel, okay? And teach your expertise or be entertaining. And there's a lot of ways to monetize. Next is Amazon. Amazon has so many ways to make money from its platform. It's insane. You could do Amazon FBA, you could be an affiliate, you could literally be Amazon Turk, you could do shipping, but Amazon Turk's an interesting way to make money. It's not like the most insane, and it is a more active income, but you can literally, you know, fulfill these simple tasks and make money, okay? So when in your downtime or whenever you want, you can go ahead and be an Amazon Turk. Next, you can be an Amazon Kindle publisher. Now you can literally go ahead and write books, okay? Or you can go ahead and pay someone to write books, and you can literally get sales passively for what you created a long time ago, okay? Just money comes in. And the more books you have, the better. Now, they don't need to be the most best books, but if you want to do an incredible book, that's better, okay? And yeah, it's passive income, and that's the best type of income. Next is literally YouTube. You could use to promote your ebook, okay? You could do a paid course, okay? People pay for a course on something and boom, you're set. And I have a YouTube course down below. I have all sorts of courses that could just change your life. And the next thing is Amazon Associates. Look, you get an affiliate link, and this is how Amazon does it. Anything they buy through your affiliate link, you get a commission for. It's incredible how it works. And it's not like it's not crazy high, it's 5%, 10%, but at scale, this becomes a pretty sizable income for you, okay? You can get paid in wire transfer or checks or Amazon gift cards, any way you really want it, okay? You can get paid, which is incredible. Next is ClickBank. I love ClickBank. It's digital products. It's kind of like Amazon, but for digital products, and you're an affiliate where you get a commission for every single product that you make a sale for, okay? So you get 75% commissions, which is extremely high. I have courses, a super affiliate course teaching how to like crush it with ClickBank. There are people making hundreds of thousands a day with ClickBank. There are people that have made $1 million in a day with ClickBank, all over the place, okay? Another platform here is called Flippa. And basically on Flippa, you could sell your websites, okay? You could buy people's websites, buy people's domains, apps, Shopify accounts, Amazon FBA accounts, everything like that, okay? So you can buy working businesses and go ahead and just monetize it better, send more traffic to it, or just do it better in general, and you can make money from it, okay? And a lot of times you'll find ones that are already making money. The next site here is Shutterstock, and Shutterstock, basically you can go out there, you can make photos, you can take photos, and you can go ahead and list them on sites like Shutterstock and Shutterstock themselves, and you can go ahead and earn royalties for people using your images. And you know what? This becomes a great passive income. And if you like photography, this is a great option for you. And imagine if you implemented all these options. Next, we've got Rover here, and you can literally be a dog sitter or walk dogs. You could do house sitting, all these different things. And people pay you to do that. And if you love dogs and you're not allergic to dogs, then you can do it. Okay, so there's a lot of money to be made there more actively, but that's okay. Next is takelessons.com. You can literally list your own like course on here or teach something on here and make income doing so, okay? Or you can go on here and learn if you want to. And next is Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr is awesome. People go here for one-time gigs, and sometimes they keep coming back to your gig. Okay, there's tons of skills on here, and I'm sure you have at least one of them or many of them. Okay, business skills, programming, music, video, writing, digital marketing, graphics design, okay, all sorts of stuff. And you know what, all you have to do is model what other listings are in your competition there. So if you're doing video editing, look at what they're charging and what they offer and just model it, okay, or do it better. Next is Shopify. Shopify, you can make a dropshipping site, or you can just list your own products, which is great too. And if you do dropshipping, you want to have Oberlo, which just fulfills the orders for you. And you get your products from China websites like AliExpress, and you mark up the price. So here's your store here. You pay the manufacturer, okay? So you've got your online store, okay? And then you find a product, and the manufacturer is charging really cheap. And then you list the product on your site for hire, and you make money. It's as simple as that. Literally, you can create a store, find products, advertise, everything, and you're all set. This is a great way to make money. Highly recommend all these methods. Go ahead, make passive income. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you later.